Let's see what happens. Boo, it's not turning on again.
Did you get it? Is it recording it?
Yeah, it's not working. Let's try it again. Nothing. There we go, finally started.